Hi class, it's time for a demo on the sorting assignment. As I go through it, you won't see the pop-up boxes come up with all the sorting options, so I'll just describe them to you the best you can. If you're looking at yours, you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, first we had to click the challenge tab, so we click that. We're on Camp Katonka. It says to sort all the campers by grade level, so I'm going to select everything. When I go up here to data and I click sort, again, you're not seeing the box, but I'll just describe it. In the upper right hand corner, it has a little box that's checked that says my data has headers. Notice how even though I selected camper name, gender, grade, cabin, counselor, and so forth, they're not now selected as part of the sort. That's because Excel knows that my data has headers and it's not including those in the sort. It's not going to shuffle them in. If I uncheck that box, watch what happens. It's now selecting those headers and it's going to include them in the sort. It's going to shuffle them around. Now I don't want that, so I'm going to check the box again. My data has headers. And then I need to sort by, let's see, by grade. It says sort on is the middle option, and it says sort on values. You're almost always going to leave it on values. That just means whatever is entered into the cell, you're going to sort it based on that. And then order smallest to largest, and now watch, it's going to go and group everything by grade. So we have all our 6th graders, then all our 7th graders, then all our 8th graders, and so forth. Now the instructions also say to sort by camper name. Now watch, if I just sort it by camper name, I go back and do a sort for that, it's going to undo my sort for grade level. Notice how now everything's all shuffled around again and just everyone is alphabetical. But I want to do the sort for both. I want to sort by grade level and then inside each grade level sort it alphabetically. So what I have to do, and in the upper left hand corner when you click sort, you'll see that it says add level. And that's what I'm going to have to do. I'm going to have to add a level. And now I can do 2 sorts at once. Let's do our first one by grade. So grade, smallest to largest. And then let's sort by camper name, and we'll go alphabetical A to Z. Now when I do it, you'll see it's sorted all of my 6th graders at the top, then 7th, then 8th, then 9th. But all the 6th graders, instead of being randomly just sloshed in there, they're alphabeticalized. B comes before C, comes before K, comes before W. Notice that William is our last 6th grader, and once we get the 7th graders, the alphabeticalization starts over. F comes before K, comes before M, comes before T, and then when we get to the 8th graders, the alphabeticalization starts again. So we have a grade level sort, and then inside that, each section, an alphabetical sort. So you can have multiple sorts, kind of stack them up. All right, last step, it says in additional information, sort by counselor alphabetically. So let me select all those. When I click sort, I'm going to make sure that my data has headers is checked, and there we go. Now it'll sort by these header categories. Let's choose counselor and go A to Z, and then H comes before L, comes before P, comes before S, and there you have it. And that's how you do sorting, class.